Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I've been gone for quite some time, but I'm back. So this week I've decided to actually go to Pep Home, shop some few items, and I decided to just sit here and share them with you. And it was just an interesting haul. I ended up buying more than what I wanted to spend because we want to do our bedroom. So I'll probably show you in the next video how I'll style these items. Right now I just want to show you what items we ended up buying at Pep Home, and they're quite affordable actually. So remember to tell your friends, to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on the cheap side. Okay, so this is the first bag. I don't really bake aircon, but anyways, even the bag I'm gonna use because we have a balcony. So I was thinking of doing outdoor scatter cushions. So even this bag is gonna go to use. So there's this one. It's a fake plant. Most of you know that I don't even like fake plants, but I ended up having this one. This was 12.99, I believe. It was not even on price to go, but it was there. So this is the first item. Not the cheapest, but yeah. And then there was this other one. This one is very cute. I really like this one more than I like that one because the detailing on it, and if you look at it, it looks expensive. It doesn't look like something that one would find in a cheap store. But yeah, I got this one and it was 19 rands 99, I believe. I'm sorry, but I don't know why. I just sometimes take out tags on items and then I think, okay, I have to sit and do something like this, and then I don't have the price tags. The other thing that I bought, it was these mugs. We bought 3 because it's me, my partner, and my friend. So whenever we buy items, we just buy 3. So these ones we thought of like when we want to make a pie or something like that, or maybe have ice cream, we can use these. And these were quite cheap because each of these was 7.99. And for some reason there was a hideous lid that was created for these, but I don't know why, because whenever you try to fit them in, it doesn't actually close. So I think this was just an afterthought, but it doesn't matter. I have nice containers for 7.99 each, and these were actually on special. So yeah, I bought 3 of these. Then the next item is these throws. So each of these was 99 rand. It was on special, and apparently they still have them because I went back and then I saw that they still have a lot of them. I wish I could have bought more, but I was like, if only it was different colors. But yeah, so I have this one for the other bedroom and then this one for the other bedroom. Yeah, they're nice, they're big, they're light, good for summer, hopefully for winter also. So yes. Then what else do we get? And then I bought these 2, you can say, dessert bowls. I just love the color. I also love the detail on them. So when we bought these, we thought that, okay, maybe we're just gonna create something like a cute vase. Just use a hot glue gun and then stick them together like this. But I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking of leaving the color, but my mind says I need to spray paint them like matte black. Each of these was 7.99 and it was on special also. So yeah. And then the other one that we got is this one. So this one we basically just want to create a candle, like a large candle, and this one was 19.99 and it has a nice message that's written on there. So I don't know if you can see, but yeah, just gonna read it out. It says, today is going to be the best day ever. So I just feel like it's perfect. So we're just gonna create a large candle and then it's gonna be in here. What else do we have? This is the crazy pages. So basically these are mirrors. I'm just gonna take one out. Let's see. So these are the mirrors. It's gonna reflect. So each of these mirrors was 26 rand 99, 26 rand 99, and we bought 12 because we want to create like a large mirror. What we're gonna do is basically just take out all of these black frames and then use the mirrors. I'll probably have a video creating the DIY for all of these mirrors. They're also gonna go into our bedroom. It was 26 rand each, and we bought 12. And then another find is this. How much was it? 60? Yeah, let's see. Oh no. It was actually pricey. This was 149, but I think it's worth it. So this is just a small rug, but me being me, I'm not gonna make it a rug because it's nice and soft actually, so I don't feel like it deserves to be a rug. So I'm just gonna create a DIY. As you can see, like I've already folded it halfway, so I'm just gonna create like these long decorative scatter cushion kind of vibes. This is also gonna go to our bedroom. So yeah, I'm also gonna do a DIY video showing you how I create this pillow. Yeah, so stay tuned for videos to come. And then we got these candles. It was how much was this? 21 rand. It was 21 rand for these candles, but these candles are the ones that I'm gonna use for this bowl. So I'll probably just melt these candles for this. So yeah. And then I know that most people, I don't know why, most people whenever they show their rooms on YouTube, Instagram, they always have like this white linen. And honestly for me, I declined. So this one was 169, this cover. It's quite beautiful. It has green leaves, white, and because I love plants, and I feel like personally because it's summer, it's just gonna add some freshness into our bedroom, because honestly like white linen is just sort of like too much work for everyday living. That is my opinion. So this was 169 rand, and it's also gonna go to our bedroom. We didn't get a double. This one is a queen size, which is quite cheap for a queen size. But if it's too big for our bed, it's fine. We'll just sew it down to a double size bed. So yeah. And then hopefully, and then we got these two standard pillows, white standard pillows. Each one was 34 rands 99, and they say it's 100% cotton, which is quite nice and cheap for 100% cotton. So it was 34 rands 99 for each, and we got two because we want to break down the color from the cover when we're doing our bedroom. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all of the stuff that we got at Pep. So the total receipts. So the total was 874 rand, and I think most what actually made the price to be high is the mirrors, but I don't mind because when you go to the shops and buy these mirrors, I saw like at Mr. Price when you buy like the large mirror, it's like 1,800 rand, and I'm not willing to spend that much. So I still feel like this was a cheap find. So yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video. On the next video, I'm gonna show you how I style these products in my bedroom and how I actually make them work. And for the mirrors, I'm gonna create a different video whereby I show you how I create my large mirror using these mirrors from Pep Home. Remember to tell your friends, to tell their friends that we're doing DIYs on the cheap side. I hope you did enjoy this video. Till next time.